Have you ever wondered how to use AI tools like a pro? Welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, where the future is not just a concept, but a reality we're crafting today. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting AI content. Now back to AI. AI tools are revolutionizing every aspect of our lives, from the way we communicate to how we solve complex problems. These tools come in various forms, like ChatGPT that can engage in human-like text conversations, AI image generators that can create stunning visuals from simple descriptions, and data analysis tools that can decipher complex patterns in a matter of seconds. But how one harness the power of these tools? That's what we're here to explore. This video aims to guide you through the maze of AI, helping you understand and use AI tools like a seasoned pro. So, whether you're a curious beginner or a tech enthusiast looking to level up, join us on this journey as we unlock the power of AI tools together. AI tools, such as ChatGPT, AI image generators, and data analysis tools, are revolutionizing the way we work and live. These tools, powered by artificial intelligence, are designed to perform tasks that would traditionally require human intelligence. Chatbots, for instance, can simulate human conversation, answering questions and providing solutions in a fraction of the time it would take a human. AI image generators, on the other hand, can create realistic images from simple text descriptions. Want a picture of a sunset over a serene lake? No need to wait for the perfect conditions or even leave your home. Just type your description, press generate, and voila! A stunning, lifelike image is ready for you. Then there are data analysis tools. These use AI to sift through vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and provide insights. In a world where every click, like, and share generates data, these tools are indispensable for businesses wanting to understand customer behavior and trends. But AI tools aren't just for businesses. They're also being used in healthcare to predict disease outbreaks, in education to personalize learning, and in entertainment to create immersive experiences. The possibilities are truly endless. Remember, the key to harnessing the power of these tools lies in understanding their capabilities and limitations. And that's exactly what we're here to help with. Now that we understand what AI tools are, let's set ourselves up for success. The key to mastering any tool lies in setting clear objectives and understanding its capabilities. So how do we go about this with AI tools? First, it's crucial to define what you want to achieve. Are you looking to automate a task, create engaging content, or analyze vast amounts of data? Your objectives will guide you in selecting the right AI tool for your needs. Now, on to understanding your tool's capabilities. It's easy to get overwhelmed with all the features AI tools offer, but remember, you don't have to learn everything at once. Start by familiarizing yourself with the basics. Most AI tools offer guides and tutorials to help you get started. Next, let's talk about setting up your AI tool. Most tools require you to create an account or set up an interface. This process is usually straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be set up in no time. Once your account is set up, take some time to explore the interface, understand where everything is and how it works. It's like moving into a new house. You need to know where the light switches are, how the thermostat works, and so on. And finally, don't forget to experiment. AI tools are designed to be interactive. The more you use them, the better you'll understand their capabilities and limitations. With our objectives clear and our tools ready, it's time to craft effective prompts. So stay tuned, because we're about to dive into that next. The magic of AI lies in its ability to respond accurately to well-crafted prompts. This is the essence of getting the most out of any AI tool. But what does it mean to craft an effective prompt? Let's imagine you're using a chatbot. If you ask it, "What's the weather like?" without specifying a location, the bot may not know how to respond. But if you ask, "What's the weather like in New York City?" now, the bot has a clear directive. This is a simple example, but it illustrates the point. Clarity and specificity are your friends when crafting prompts. Now let's consider an AI image generator. If you type in "a house," you'll likely get a generic image of a house. But if you specify a Victorian-style house at sunset, you're likely to get a more detailed and useful result. It's also important to remember that while AI tools are incredibly powerful, they're not mind readers. They don't know your unique context or the nuances of your project. That's why it's crucial to provide as much relevant detail as possible in your prompts. Another tip is to experiment and iterate. AI tools learn and adapt over time, so don't be discouraged if your first few prompts don't yield perfect results. Keep refining your approach and you'll see improvement. Remember, the effectiveness of your AI tool largely depends on the effectiveness of your prompts. So invest time in crafting them well. Mastering prompts is the first step. Now let's look at some real-world applications. Did you know that this very video was created using an AI video generator? Yes, you heard it right. AI isn't just transforming the way we work, it's also revolutionizing the way we create. AI video generators can take a script, like the one we're using right now, and turn it into a high-quality video. This includes everything from the visuals you see, to the transitions between scenes, to the captions you might be reading. It's a game changer for content creators, marketers, educators, and anyone else looking to convey information in an engaging way. But what about the soundtrack you're hearing? That too can be composed by an AI. AI music generators can create unique, tailor-made soundtracks that enhance the mood and message of a video. You can specify the genre, mood, and even the instruments, and the AI will do the rest. Imagine having a personal orchestra at your disposal, ready to score your project at a moment's notice. As AI continues to evolve, the quality and capabilities of these tools will only improve. We're already seeing AI create stunning visuals and captivating soundscapes. Who knows what the future holds? The possibilities with AI tools are endless. This is just the beginning. Up next, we'll explore some real-world applications of AI tools. AI tools have found applications in numerous sectors, from marketing and education to healthcare. Let's begin with marketing. AI tools can analyze enormous data, assisting marketers in comprehending customer behavior and predicting trends. For instance, AI-powered chatbots can deliver personalized customer interactions on a large scale, while AI-driven analytics can help identify potential leads and refine advertising campaigns. In the field of education, AI tools are revolutionizing learning. They can customize educational content based on a student's learning style and speed, offer real-time feedback, and even foresee areas where a student might face difficulties. It's like having a personal tutor accessible around the clock. Next, let's turn our attention to healthcare, an industry where AI is making a remarkable impact. AI tools are aiding physicians in diagnosing illnesses, predicting patient outcomes, and personalizing treatment plans. They're even being utilized in drug discovery and development, considerably reducing the time and expense of introducing new medicines to market. Now let's envision professionals who've utilized these tools to revolutionize their work. A marketing strategist revealed how AI tools have assisted him in targeting the correct audience and executing successful campaigns. A teacher informed us about an AI-powered educational platform that has improved her students' learning experiences. And a doctor talked about an AI tool that precisely forecasted a patient's risk of developing a certain disease, enabling earlier intervention. Now that we've watched the tools in action, it's time to explore some advanced techniques in our sixth scene. Ready to elevate your AI tool usage? Let's dive into the advanced features that can truly transform you into a pro in this field. A key advantage of AI tools is the ability to fine-tune models. This is akin to tailoring the engine of your vehicle to function exactly the way you desire. Fine-tuning lets you modify the AI's behavior to cater to your unique needs, be it training it to comprehend a special data set or adjusting it to react in a specific manner. And the journey doesn't end customization. AI tools can also be amalgamated with other software. This implies that your AI tool can cooperate with your preferred productivity applications, content management systems, or data analysis platforms. Picture this. Your AI tool can scrutinize data from your software, create insights, and then transfer those insights directly into a presentation or report. However, bear in mind that with great power comes great responsibility. When dealing with advanced features, caution is required. It's simple to lose control and overlook that AI is a tool, not a panacea. It's present to aid you, not substitute human creativity and insight. While mastering these methodologies, it's vital to bear in mind the ethical implications of employing AI. Moving on to Scene 8, remember that as with any powerful tool, it's essential to use AI ethically and responsibly. When employing AI tools, we must be mindful of their potential impact on society. AI is not just a tool for efficiency or convenience. It can have far-reaching implications for privacy, security, and even human rights. It's critical to respect user privacy and data security. Always obtain the necessary permissions before using someone's data and ensure it's stored securely. Also, be aware of the potential for bias in AI. Algorithms are only as unbiased as the data they're trained on, so it's vital to use diverse and representative datasets. Furthermore, make sure to use AI in a way that's truthful and transparent. Avoid using AI to deceive or mislead people, and always be honest about when and how you're using AI in your work or products. With these guidelines, you're well on your way to using AI tools like a pro. We've covered a lot today, from understanding AI tools to setting up, crafting prompts, applications, advanced techniques, and ethics. We dove into the world of AI tools, discovered how to set clear objectives, learned the art of crafting effective prompts, explored real-world applications, and even ventured into advanced techniques. We also touched on the importance of ethical AI. Now it's your turn to dive in, try out these tools, and explore further resources. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned for more insightful content.